Hey guys, alright, it's Dan. Today we're going to try and fit some Surefire coil packs to the stagea because it's got a slight misfire, and want to see if this will fix it, but they are cheap and reviews are really mixed, so we're going to find out. Here is the engine bay that I'm working on. So I've already replaced the genuine Nissan coil pack harness because it was all cracked. I've also replaced the spark plugs with iridium ones. It did seem to make a slight difference, but it does still misfire now and then. It's not all the time, it's not a permanent issue, so hopefully replacing the coil packs with these Surefire ones might help, because I've had some Surefire things before and it's all been okay, so hopefully the coil packs are good too. Reviews are a bit up and down, so we're going to find out today. Right, we're going to go for the first start up a minute. Hopefully it works okay. So complete start from cold. Seems okay. Okay, so we're in the stagea now, and we're going to test to see if it misfires or breaks up or anything while we go up the road real quick. Running as smooth as normal. Sorry if the camera's bouncing around a bit, you're shoved in the headrest of the passenger seat at the moment. better than stock. I only bought them because they were cheap, and I thought I'd see if they're any good, because there's really mixed reviews. We'll go down the next one as well, just to give it another go. The only modifications to the car is an air filter, just the back box delete. It's just a straight pipe for the back box, and it's got an electronic cruise controller, which is now 10 psi. That's where it maxes out at. Just quickly go back around the roundabout. Camera just slightly, just to check the settings. Now we'll carry on. Hopefully you can hear me. It's quite loud in it, to be fair. They're not very good for wind noise. So in review, I'd say they're actually not too bad so far, but we're going to have to wait and see how long they last, because the reviews just, you know, people say they last 2 months, some say 2 years. We'll find out and I'll let you know, and then hopefully if they're okay, then, you know, there's a cheap alternative to split fires. Well, thanks for watching. All right, bye.